On the wrist, the Apple Watch Ultra certainly feels larger than most other timepieces. The 49mm model has a huge 2-inch screen, although it won't feel like that large if you are someone that's a fan of larger running watch like Garmin Fenix series. If you are coming from the smaller Apple Watch, we are pretty sure you will feel the difference, but equally that helps makes it feel a lot easier to swallow that high price point too. On the rear of the Apple Watch Ultra is a similar looking heart rate monitor, allowing you to track your pulse on the go while running, cycling, swimming or more. Apple has created a whole suite of new brands to buy with the Watch Ultra, all with being more active in mind. The trail loop is lightweight and easy to attach to the wrist. The Alpine loop features a titanium hook that we found incredibly hard to get to the right size without needing a hard hand, and the Ocean Band, which is an incredibly strong strap that will hold onto your wrist even in high-intensity water sports. 3 microphone points are designed to beamform to your voice, meaning you can be heard in more hostile conditions, and the speakers have also been upgraded so you will be able to hold a conversation when stuck up a windy mountain. It will also act as a very loud siren, and we can't tell you how tempted we were to press it in the crowded press room. But we didn't. We really expected the Watch Ultra to be a large, chunky and ugly design, and while it's heavy on the wrist, it's not as bad as it could have been. The larger digital crown with enhanced grooves, the more pressable buttons and bigger and more dynamic screen are all pleasant to use and are definitely something we can see being easier to press with wet or glove covered fingers. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, feel free to share with your friends and keep watching Review Arena to get your top-notch day-to-day commodities review.